Okay, so I am going to work with the category 5E wire today, and I'm going to show you how to install an EZ-RJ-45. The difference between an EZ-RJ-45 and a regular RJ-45 is the EZ has some holes at the top to make it easier to connect to the little bars and the color. But I'm not going to be working with the RJ-45. I'm going to use the easy one. So on the category 5E, we have to remove the jackets to get to the wires inside. To remove them, you can either use a pair of scissors, cut the jacket and use the ripcord that's inside, or you can use the jacket remover, and I'm going to use the jacket remover. You got to cut out about 1 inch to 3 inches. So now that you have the jacket off, you see the ripcord. You are going to want to cut the ripcord off. And now all you have is the twisted wires. So what you got to do is you have to untwist the wires like as shown. Okay, so now that you have them all untwisted, you're gonna want to straighten them all out to make it easier to connect to this. Okay, now that they're all straightened out, you have to put them in order. For the EZ-RJ-45, there are 2 different types of color order. One is called Alpha, and the other is Bravo. I'm going to show you how to install Bravo. So, you got your wires in order, and straightened. Now you have to put them in order, and the order is orange, white, orange, orange, blue, white, blue, green, green, white, green, blue, brown, white, brown, and brown. You gotta make sure they stay in order. What I'm going to do is, so I can have a little more control over the wires, I'm going to take my scissors and cut a little bit off, make them straighten. Now I'm going to check to see if they are still in order, which they are. Alright, now what you do is you take your EZ-RJ-45 and you have to connect. Then you gotta recheck to see if they're still in order, which they're not. So what you do is you need a special type of crimpers, which is going to be these. And since these have a hole to let the wires go through, you're going to need a blade on your crimpers, and this blade is used to cut these wires. The reason why you need this is because on this set of crimpers, which is used for the regular RJ-45, it does not have the blade to cut off the wires, so we must use these. And that is how to install your EZ-RJ-45.